be tricky on the roads because temperatures with this rain right around 27, 28 degrees. That's going to be a problem, especially on bridges and overpasses. The one tiny piece of good news is the fact that we got a lot of sleet as well before the freezing rain. It gives you a little bit better traction on the road, but again, please don't test it. Hey, just want to show you some of the impacts that we're expecting a little farther south, about 30 miles south in New York City. Maybe up to about a third of an inch of ice accumulation there as well. But the same story holds. Bridges, overpasses, much trickier. Back roads, much trickier. A lot of the main drags are doing a much better out there. The snow plows and the salt trucks out there doing a fine job. We're going to now get a little bit farther off to the south and west to the King of Prussia area in Philadelphia. We're find Scott Williams. Scott,
it's part of that
looks like right now. We're seeing straight rain at about 28 degrees, so not good here.
Oh.
Yeah, well, Adam, not good in the Philadelphia area either. The freezing rain started late last night. It was heavy for a time, and right now we're dealing with a light freezing drizzle, but nonetheless, you can see behind me, take a look at the tree. There's a glaze, a coating of ice. We're talking about a quarter of an inch of ice right now on the tree. There's already been a lot of snow on the ground around the Philadelphia area, and on top of the snowpack, we are dealing with that icy glaze as well. So some treacherous driving conditions in and around the greater Philadelphia area. Philadelphia schools are on a 2-hour delay. And take a look at the vehicle behind me. Yeah, we are talking about needing those ice scrapers this morning. If you are traveling around the Philadelphia area, allow for some extra time. And also the Pennsylvania Department of Transportation has lowered the speed limit to 45 miles per hour on the expressways and also on the interstates. Now, PECO is reporting about 20,000 customers are without power right now in the greater Philadelphia area. Of course, an ice storm warning is in effect through about 8 a.m. For the Philadelphia area. Al?
All right, thanks a lot, Scott. We're getting the winds blowing around here, over 30 mile per hour winds at times. Jim Cantori reported last night a wind gust of 70 miles per hour. As you look toward Michigan Avenue, it is still blowing quite a bit here. Let's take a look, see what's going on as far as the northeast impacts with this storm. It's going to be a major impact for today. Cold air flowing into the southeast, and as that system moves up, lifts up and away, you're going to see some heavy snow, ice, and wind from New England. Binghamton, you'll see 32 degrees in snow. Burlington, 20 degrees. Boston, an icy mix, and then eventually changing over to snow. 33. Washington, some rain, and 55.
Someone in this country to make a city
We do have that rain slightly down through the Sunshine State. And there are a few thunderstorms associated with this as well. This is pulling offshore, though. Jacksonville will still have a few more hours for you. Into the northeast we go, and we have the rain, the sleet, the freezing rain, the snow. It looks like that ice cream is 3 different colors, doesn't it? All vanilla back here throughout the Great Lakes, from Michigan down into Chicago. Al just showed us the snow that was still coming down. And the big story next will be the cold, bitterly cold air. Look at Minneapolis this morning. We're going to be below 0. That's without the wind chill. Highs only to the teens, and then factor in that wind blowing. It's going to feel in the single digits or lower for some of us. Otherwise, in the south, things are great starting off the day in Miami. Someone just sent me a twit pic from Gainesville, Florida, in the mid-60s right now, and our highs range from the 70s in South Florida to the 30s in Memphis. Al?
All right, thanks a lot, Steph. And, of course, we've got a lot more coming up. And we're going to show you Storm Tracker Jim Cantori's amazing reaction to the thunder snow. You don't want to miss this. Stay tuned. Wake Up with Al continues.
Just incredible!
Holy shit. How are those flat rate boxes working out?
Fabulous. They give me this great idea.
Yeah?
We mail documents all over the country. So what if there were priority mail flat rate
envelopes?
Yes. You could ship to any state.
For a low flat rate?
Yes. A really low flat rate.
Like $4.95?
Yes. It could look like a flat rate box.
Only flatter. Like this?
You, me, genius.
Genius.
Priority mail flat rate envelopes, just $4.95, only from the Postal Service. A simpler way to ship.
Imagine the possibilities with Stellara. For adults, Stellara helps control moderate or severe plaque psoriasis with 4 doses a year after 2 starter doses. In a medical study, 7 out of 10 Stellara patients saw at least 75% clearer skin at 12 weeks. And 6 out of 10 patients had their plaque psoriasis rated as cleared or minimal at 12 weeks. Stellara may lower your ability to fight infections and increase your risk of infections. Some serious infections require hospitalization. Before starting Stellara, your doctor should test for tuberculosis. Stellara may increase your risk of cancer. Always tell your doctor if you have any any sign of infection or have had cancer. Alert your doctor of new or worsening problems, including headaches, seizures, confusion, and vision problems. These may be signs of a rare, potentially fatal brain condition. Serious allergic reactions can occur. Tell your doctor if you or anyone in your house needs or has recently received a vaccine. With 4 doses a year after 2 starter doses, it's Stelara.
At GE, we're using biogas technology to create energy using organic waste from sources like landfills, compost, and even cows. It's something any fan of renewable energy can be very excited about.
Hey, give it to Jared.
That's a peerless diamond. The ideal cut diamond.
What? If you want to create your own one-of-a-kind ring, get to Jared this Thursday through Sunday, because you can receive Get Set and Diamonds rewards up to $1,000 toward a beautiful diamond setting when you buy your diamond at Jared. Choose from thousands of diamonds and hundreds of settings. Get up to a $1,000 reward this Thursday through Sunday at Jared, the Galleria of Jewelry.
Weather, man. It's been a crazy winter, and it's just getting crazier.
The Weather Team.
We have breaking news for you this morning.
We're getting remarkable images and stories.
Weekday mornings from 6 to 11 Eastern. Your daily forecast, news headlines, and the top story.
Literally the worst conditions I think I've ever been in.
Ready when you are, no matter the weather.
9 states under blizzard warnings. 9 states.
Wake up with Al and your weather today. Weekday mornings from 6 to 11 Eastern on the Weather Channel. On TV, on your computer, on your phone. The source for weather. The Weather Channel. Now your local leads.
Yesterday's music was better. See, look, orange, but the legend had red and yellow. That